everyone, how to tell sweet red watermelon. So there's a few things you can tell. First of all, here when you look here where is cut, make sure this is not green, so it has to be kind of like brownish or something. Second is look for the yellow spot, like this one has a little yellow spot, so that means it's not ready yet, it's not very red. It could be a little bit red, but it's not very red. So second, I'll show you other one. Yeah, this one?
This one's good.
Sure. Yeah, thank you. This second tip is you look for yellow spot. You see this has a lot of yellow in the side. That means this one has left, and it's a very good chance to find this one very delicious and also red. And here you see, so that's not very green also. And you see those ones here, that's a good sign. That means this watermelon could be very red also. But there is another trick I will show you. This one is also good. So this is the best way to tell if the watermelon it is so sweet. You can see here you will find sometimes like a black small like this one. That means this watermelon is so sweet, like sugar. Also this one, but you see this is also, you see this, so that's good sign to be this watermelon is sweet. But also there's no much yellow spot or white spot in this one, so we'll pick up another one. When you press, make sure it's not too soft or too hard. Too soft is not good, and it's like a lot of water and so on. But too hard, the peel could be very thick, so that's not also. Just like when you press, you can tell, like this one is okay. Okay, what the fuck? So this one, I picked up this one. You see, this one has all the signs I was looking for. There's first of all, there's, you see a little thick here. It's like sticky. That means it's kind of it could be very red and very sweet. This here, it's not green. And also there's a huge yellow spot here. So that can tell me this watermelon could be very delicious and also red, sweet sugar. Also it's not too soft, not too hard, which is good. And the sound, you can tell by the sound also. So when you hit it, it's like you hear kind of a solid sound. So that means this one will be very red, sweet, and we'll open it and you will see yourself. So this is the one we've just picked, and now we're gonna try it and see if it's red or not. And it's just perfect. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.
It is. I'm gonna taste this right now. Very sweet. It tastes like sugar.